This is Elena.
And this is Tristan.
And we're G5
Of Term 5.
and we have a lovely treat for you today.
The ladies of G5 will be putting on a talent show.
So without further ado,
Here's Stacy singing Stronger.
Someone new, and I'm moving on over you. Think I come back, think I come running back. It makes you stronger. Stand up there, time. Stand up there, I'm alone. But those are two things I find. The body you higher. You know I'm alone. It doesn't it makes you stronger. Stronger, just me, myself, and I. It doesn't kill, makes you stronger. Doesn't make you tighter. I'm alone. It doesn't kill, makes you stronger. Stronger. Just me, myself, and I.
That was so good. I love those hand motions.
yeah. All right, now we have another special act for you.
This is Lisa singing Take Me Out to the Ball Game.
Yeah.
Me out to the ball game. Take me out to the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I never get back to you. For the Cardinals, if they don't win, it's a shame. Or it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out. It's the old ball game.
That was awesome.
All right, now we have another singer on our hands. So here's Olivia.
Singing Break Every Chain.
Break every chain, 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 break every chain. And the chain's broken! All right, so now we have one final act.
No Quincy.
Nope, we've got two final acts. Ew.
And this is Sarah in an awesome outfit singing You Make Me Want to Shout.
Yeah!
They're with you.
Come on, Sarah, we're going to sing with you. Let's go. Here we go.
Ready? You know you make me want to shout. Throw my hands up and shout. Come on now, shout. 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 Hey. Shout. Hey. That is awesome. I loved your outfit.
Doing some beautiful hula. Yeah!
Oh, my hand.
Oh,
Yeah, right.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm moving that in front of me.
Not doing that. I am. I really am. It's like a cheerleading. You have to be like. I'm sorry. Molly has it. Oh yeah. Yes, that's fun. That's with it. Come on. Is this better? No.
Are we done?
No.
No?
Your hands like this.
Gotta go with the waves.
Yeah, you got it. Keep moving your hand. And now pick me up.
Ready? Team up? Yeah! Team up! Got a very special talent of a permanent smile.
A permanent smile. Like she always says, life is good.
Life is so good.
And then we will look at our beautiful camera recorder. Here's Mary.